So classical mechanics explains the macroscopic particles, where system is defined by force acting on the particle, exact position and velocity, acquired by particle with these forces. That means this classical mechanics explains the macroscopic particle. That macroscopic particle is that means that force is acting on the particle. Because of force acting on the particle, it will gain some position. It will gain some velocity. That means the particle is moving with some particular velocity. Then the position also changes. So classical mechanics explains that such type of particles. But what about macroscopic particles? See here we classical mechanics explained the macroscopic. What about microscopic particles? So it exactly failed about these microscopic particles. So in case of microscopic particles, in case of microscopic particles, it failed because the classical mechanics explain only macroscopic particles but not microscopic particles. Why? Because we cannot find out the exact position and velocity at the same time, because we cannot measure the exact position and velocity. So Heisenberg uncertainty principle, do you remember, students? So we cannot explain the exact position and velocity at the same time. So this theory is failed. So then quantum mechanics is introduced. So this quantum mechanics explains the probability of locating the microscopic particle in a space. So it given exact explanation about microscopic particles. So quantum mechanics explains the probability of locating microscopic particle at various places in a space. Actually, probability of finding the microscopic particle at various places in a space is nothing but state function or wave function. Actually, wave function symbol is psi. This is psi symbol, students. So actually This quantum mechanics successfully explained about the state function or wave function. That means it explains about the microscopic particle, where it is exact time, position, velocity it gives. So quantum mechanics explained whatever problems faced in a classical mechanics. So quantum mechanics explains the microscopic particle where it is present in a particular space. So that means this is nothing but state function or wave function. So probability of finding the microscopic particle in a space is known as state function or wave function. State function or wave function. So this microscopic particle, according to quantum mechanics model, microscopic particles or bodies shows dual nature, that is particle as well as wave nature, So about this particle and wave nature of a microscopic particle is explained successfully by the Schrödinger wave equation. So Schrödinger, actually this is scientist name, Schrödinger wave equation. Schrödinger scientist explains this microscopic particle about particle nature and wave nature successfully. Okay, the energy of electron is quantized because it has particular specific values. Specific value means it is quantized. So energy of electron is quantized. Energy of electron in a atom is quantized because it has specific values. Not only energy of electrons. Actually, we are telling energy of electrons are in an atom is quantized. That means those energy levels also quantized. The energy levels in an atom. Is quantized. So based on this one, we can explain the solution of Schrödinger wave equation applied for electron wave. Next one is psi symbol. This is wave function. This wave function explains about the electron. Electron in an atom. So psi given full information about the electron position, where it was present, and then next, the path of electron can never be determined accurately. The path of electron cannot determined accurately. We can find out the position of electron in different points around the space. Exact point we cannot find out, but the probability, the probability of electron around the nucleus in a space is possible to determine. We can determine the probability. Probability means chances. So where electron may be possible around the, actually electron is revolving around the nucleus in a space. So we cannot find out the exact path, but we can find out the chances. So where it may be, we can find out the probability, chances only. We cannot find out the path of the electron exactly. So normally this probability of electron at a point in an atom is known as probability density. Probability density. This probability density symbol is psi square. So these are the main points about the quantum mechanical model. So Schrödinger, the scientist Schrödinger, given an equation. Schrödinger wave equation. So Schrödinger given an information regarding wave nature of an electron in an atom. So that is represented in the equation. Students, we don't have any derivation. So where this symbol is known as not D, we can change it. This one is dou square psi by dou y square. We can explain this psi with respect to three coordinates: x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. So dou square psi by dou x square plus dou square psi by dou y square plus dou square psi by dou z square. So we are explaining the psi wave function with respect to x, y, z axis plus 8 pi square m by h square into e minus v into psi equal to 0. So try to remember the equation, students. We don't have any derivation in intermediate level. So normally psi is a wave function. Psi is a wave function. X, y, z are three coordinates, Cartesian coordinates. So x, y, z are coordinates. M is a mass of electron. H is a Planck's constant. Here E is a total energy. Then V is a potential energy. So potential energy of electron. Small m is a mass of electron. H is a Planck's constant. So dou square psi by dou x square plus dou square psi by dou y square plus dou square psi by dou z square plus 8 pi square m by h square into e minus v into psi equal to 0.